Hello everyone, Alexander Lacates here to teach you about Unity with my lovely assistant Danny Antizana.
Hey guys.
So the first thing we want to do with Unity is open it. What we do here is we create a new project. We're going to go with 2D because that is better for starters. We're going to call it part 1. We're going to create project. So the first thing we see here is our main camera. That and all the other objects in our game are listed in the hierarchy over here. Our inspector over on the right side is what we use to edit our objects when we click on them. We can move positions, we can change rotation scales, we can change colors of the background, and this camera preview over here shows us exactly what we would see. So we're going to go with, I don't know, let's go with the black background. Call it a day. We can change our perspective or keep it orthographic. Since we're in 2D, we want to keep it orthographic. A perspective with 2D would not work very well. Perspective is for 3D games. So right here is our scene. You can also edit our objects here, but however, it's better to do it in the hierarchy. Our game, when you click on that, shows us what our camera sees. Right now it sees nothing because we don't have anything in our game. Our asset store is where we can go to purchase or download free assets, files, sounds, whatever from the asset store. We're not doing that, we're going to start from scratch. Down here we have the project folder, and this is where we can keep all of our scripts, our animations, all kinds of
Assets for the game.
there we go, assets for the game. What I always like to do is divide it up into folders. Otherwise it would be very cluttered and hard to work with. So the first thing I always like to do is make a game folder. And in that game folder we have various other subfolders for things like images or maybe sounds, our scripts, which we'll get to later, and prefabs, which we'll also get to later. So we're actually going to go back out of that. This console here is where we would display our errors, which everyone gets. It just happens. Anytime you want to do any debugging, all this appears here. But that is for later.